Good morning, first graders. All right, so we've been talking about how life is different than it was long ago. So sometime today, if you have a chance, you can on Seesaw or in your notebook, you can draw a picture on how life was different than it was long ago. You might draw a horse and buggy, or an older airplane, or even how something is different than it was long ago. All right, century. Remember, century is 100 years. We're in the 20th century. Century is 100 years. Past. Past. It already happened. It already happened. Yesterday was the past. Entertainment. Entertainment is things that we do to have fun. So these two kids are swimming. What's your entertainment at recess? What do you do? Right, future. Remember, the future hasn't happened yet. That's going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is the future. Present. Present is happening right now. All right, I'm going to say the sounds and you're going to blend them together to hear the word. Are you ready? B-O-N. Bone. Good job. O-B. Robe. Good job. Muse. Muse. Good job. Oak. Smoke. Good job. Phone. Phone. Good job. O's. Rose. Good job. Remember, we're talking about long O, long U, and long E. Okay, like in mule. Can you think of a long O word? Rope. O. So that's what R-O-P-E, rope. And then we have mule. Think of a long E word? See if you can think of one today. Alright. Let's tap these words. Are you ready? Cute. Cute. Good job. Make sure you're tapping them with me, or if you can read them in your head, you can read them in your head. Wove. Wove. Oak. Joke. Right, let's do this one. I'm going to give you time to do this one. Tap this one. Good job. Pull. Alright, sometime today if you have a chance you can write these words, or you can practice them, rainbow writing them, or writing them in your notebook. Alright, are you ready? Hope. H-O-P-E, hope. Ope. How many sounds? 3. Alright, the next one, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Not note. Oat. Note. N-O-T-E, note. Rope. Ope. Rope. R-O-P-E, rope. Cute. 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 C-U-T-E, cute. Cube. Cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Ice. Nice. N-I-C-E, nice. Did you notice a nice, the C says nice. Uh-oh. That was kind of tricky. Alright, the next one. Ledge. L-E-D-G-E. Ledge. When you tap it out, j. The D-G-E says j, j, j. Ledge. Ago. A-G-O. Ago. And then we have people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Alright, let's fill in the missing letters. Are you ready? We have, we're missing this letter right here. What is that? It's a consonant. Very good. It's a P. Hope. Missing a P. Hope. Alright, next one. This word's supposed to be nose. Nose. Ooh, that's tricky. Nose. What letter sometimes says two sounds, a S and a Z? That's right. S does. Alright, let's do the next one. We have note. Note. What sound are we missing? That's right, we're missing a T, 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 T. Note. Alright, now we have rope. Rope. We're missing another consonant. Very good. It's a P, P, P. Rope. Alright, next one we have is cute. We're missing another consonant. Cute. Very good. T. T would go there. How about cube? Cube. Missing another consonant. Very good. B would go there. Now we have nice. This one's kind of tricky. Nice. Nice. It'd be a S. Should be S. Would it be S or would it be C? It would be C. That one's tricky. It sounds like nice. Sounds like S, but it's actually a C. It's a soft C. Soft C. Alright, ledge. Ledge. Ooh, we talked about this. D, G, E, because ledge. The G says a D, G, E says J. Alright. Now we have a go. Kind of tricky. A go. It's actually A. Alright, and then we have people. People. P-O-P-L-E. People. Alright, let's practice our sight words. Let's skywrite them. Ready? Ago. A-G-O. Ago. Next one. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Remember, an O-Y right here on boy says oi. Boy. Okay, let's do girl. Ready? G-I-R-L. Girl. I-R says So g. Okay, the next one. How. O-W says ow in that one. Ready? H-O-W. How. Old. Old. O-L-D. Old. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Alright, let's see if we can find our words. Ago. Oh, look right here. A-G-O. Ago. Boy. Boy, see it? Eyes go to the top. B-O-Y. Boy. Girl. You see it? Oh, it's going up and down. G-I-R-L. Girl. How. How. You see it? This one's tricky. H-O-W. How. How. Then we have old. Old. Here we go. Ready? O-L-D. Old. And then we have people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Good job, first graders!